Hello. Thank you for calling. I'm Alexis, your AI real estate assistant. I can help you schedule a property viewing, answer questions about our listings, or connect you with one of our agents. How can I assist you today?
I want to know that what are the property listing do you have at the moment?
Of course, we currently have 5 active property listings available. First, we have a house for sale called 8 Bedrooms High Time by At the Blockchain Coders. It's located at Real Estate Engineer Office, Real Estate Air, Real Estate AI, 12345. It's priced at $23,456. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an area of 2,345 square feet. Key features include a security system, laundry, storage, solar panels, smart home capabilities, a gym, pet-friendly amenities, air conditioning, a fireplace, a balcony, a garden, and a garage. Second, we have a commercial property for rent called...
I want to only have those property which is available for rent.
Of course, we have 3 properties currently available for rent. First, a commercial property, the 6 bedrooms by At the Blockchain Coders, located at Marine Engineer Office, Real Estate Air, Real Estate AI.
Just tell me the price of these properties and which one is the cheapest among these 3.
Certainly, here are the prices. 1. The commercial property at Marine Engineer Office is $50,000 per month. 2. The townhouse at the same location is $10,000 per month. 3. The house at 12345 At the Blockchain Coders is $45,000 per month.
45,000 per month is good for me. Can you give me more details about it?
Absolutely. Let me give you more details about that property. It's the 4-bedroom by At the Blockchain Coders, located at 12345 At the Blockchain Coders, Real Estate Air, Real Estate AI. It's a house for rent at $45,000 per month. It features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a spacious 26,999 square feet of living area. Key features include a pool, garage, garden, balcony, fireplace, and air conditioning.
That sounds great, and I want to take that property. So can you book an appointment for property viewing?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you book a property viewing for that rental. Let's start by getting your full name.
My full name is User9.
Thank you, User9. Now, could you share your preferred date and time for the viewing?
I'm free on Friday afternoon.
Friday afternoons could work well. Let me check the available slots for that day. Could you also share a preferred time frame in the afternoon so I can...
Maybe after 1?
We have available slots on Friday afternoon starting at 2 p.m. Would 2 p.m. work for you?
Yeah, it's absolutely fine for me.
Great. We'll book your viewing for Friday at 2 p.m. Could you please share your phone number?
My phone number is 123456789.
Thanks. Now, could you provide your email address so we can send a confirmation for your appointment?
My email address is user9@example.com.
Thank you. One more thing. Do you have a budget range or any details about your financing status that you'd like to share?
Don't need to worry about the budget. I have enough money.
Understood. Now, are you pre-approved or planning to pay up front?
I'm planning to pay upfront.
Your property viewing is ready to be confirmed. The viewing for the 4-bedroom by At the Blockchain Coders rental property is scheduled for Friday, July 3rd at 2 p.m. The appointment will last about 45 minutes. Please review the confirmation form we're sending and tap Request Appointment to finalize. If you need any more help, just let me know.
So you can see the appointment is successfully booked. And I got the email in my email ID, and I got all of this data is updated real time in my dashboard. So if I come back here, you can see just now we have booked an appointment. If you come back to the analytical part, there you will have the details. Just now we have the conversation, and this went up to 3.31 minutes. If you come back to the overview, you will have the complete details. If you come back to the viewing property, you will see that what are the properties you have, and just now we got the appointment, which is User9. This is the one we have booked. It's confirmed. If you come back to the clients, you will find that it's already there, User9. Just now we have booked the appointment, and I got the email as well. So if I come back here, go back to my email ID. If I come back here, you will see just now I got this email confirmation, User9. So this particular email, the real estate agent will get the details about this appointment the user details, and we can view the details about the user in the dashboard. But if I come back here, I will also get an email confirmation as a user, as a client, and I will get this special link which I can copy, and I can simply explore the appointment which I have booked. So I copy the link and I'm going to open this one. So come back here, and first I have to log out. So I'll simply click on this sign out, and I'm logged out. I can come back here, I can go remove this one, remove this, and paste the URL and click on this, hit enter, and I will come back to the client portal. So when you are booking for the very first time, you can come back to the create and create your account with the same email ID, same details which you have used for booking your appointment. So it's going to create an account. Once you create your account, now you can simply log in. Let me log in. This is the email ID I have provided. Now I have to give my password and click on this sign in. The moment I will do that, it will log into my dashboard, and I will have the complete details about all the appointments which I have booked. So you will find that I have already booked a lot of appointments. Here I have the option to reschedule. I can cancel, or I can pay upfront. So I can pay in cash when I'm going to view the property, or I can pay online. So if I want to pay online, I can click on this, and it's going to open the Stripe payment gateway, and I can make the payment straight away from here. It will fill out all the basic details. I will pick United States, and this is the card details I have to provide. So this is the Stripe provides you to test your payment integration, and I have to select the future, give me the CBC, and I want to select, let's say, United States. You can select any country, wherever you are from and wherever your card issue is from. Now I can give my postal code, which is this, and now I can pay online. I can click on this, and it's going to make the payment. And once the payment would be complete, I have paid in advance for this particular appointment. This is my payment ID. I can click on this done, and the payment is done. In the same way, if I want to cancel this appointment, I can click on this cancel, and I can simply confirm that. The moment I will cancel this appointment, the agent, the real estate agent, will get an email, and I will also get a confirmation email that your appointment is cancelled, which you have booked for this. So I got the email just now. If I come back to my email, if I go back to right up here, I got this confirmation that viewing is cancelled. Your appointment is cancelled just now. So this will get by the real estate agent that appointment is cancelled. In the same way, if I come back here, if I want to reschedule the appointment, for example, this appointment I booked for 5 July. If I want to reschedule for 6, I can do that. I can click on this reschedule, and I can pick the date. For example, I want to have on 3rd, and I can pick the available slots. Right now on 3rd, we have these 2 slots available. I can go with this is fine. Click on this confirm, and it's going to simply confirm my appointment. So here you will find that it's in the pending, because the real estate agent need to view the availability and confirm. So here it's pending. If I come back here, I will get an email, and the agent, the real estate agent, will also get an email to review this appointment. So you will have this option. Perfect. Now, if you come back here, once again, you will find that's how you can control the complete pay cancellation. That's all you can do. You can click here, and you can pay this time in cash. So you can simply mark in cash, click on this confirm. So when you go to view the property, the agent will ask you for the money because you have picked cash payment. So this is how you can manage your appointment. If you come back to the support, you can create a support ticket and have a direct communication with your real estate agents. You can click here, and you can say, I'll say house, whatever you can call, and create that particular support ticket. Once you support, you can will open this chat panel, and you can simply send a message. If you want to send the details about the property, the type of property you want to look, you can simply select that one, and you can simply send it, and it would be sent. You can simply open this one, and you can see this is what you have uploaded about the details. And all of this data is going to be available real time in the real estate agent dashboard. So that's how you can manage that. That's how you can control. That's how you can manage it. Right now, this data is pending. So I can simply sign out, and I'm out of this particular portal. Now I simply remove this one, and let's go back to the main route, which is this platform. Now I can simply log in. So I can click on the sign in. I can give my email ID, the real estate agent email ID, which I have used for creating my account. I have to give my password and click on the sign in. And I will log into the system where I can have the details about the recent changes. So you will find all of these details about the property. I can go back to the notification, and there I have that this one is got cancelled, and we got a review for reschedule. So if I come back here in the appointment, there you will have the complete details that this one is for pending, and I can simply pick whether I want to confirm it. It's already paid in advance, and from there I can control. If I come back to the clients, I will have the complete details about the appointment. This one is pending. I can simply click here, and I can open. If I want to confirm this timing, this date, I can click on this, and I can simply confirm that very easily. It's already paid. You will see the details. So let's come back here in the schedule, and from here I can confirm that one. So get all of this details. Now click on this confirm. The moment you will do that, every single thing would be updated and the client will get the email, and you will also get the email confirmation that your appointment is confirmed. So you can see I got the email. You can close this one. This will change automatically. So I can simply come back here. If I go back to my email, go back here, you will find that confirm. Your appointment is confirmed. It's approved successfully. So it looks absolutely wonderful. So this is how you can manage the appointments. So I hope you have understood that what are the feature and functionality we have included. If you come back to the listing, from where you can manage all the property which you have created and given the access to the AI agent so they can respond in the call. So you will find the total listing we have 4 available, 4 pending is 0, and you will have this sold is 0. From here you can able to filter very easily. You will come back here and can check different status. So all of these properties are available. From here you can simply control based on the housing, based on the department. You can control all of that. So if I go with this apartment right now, how many property I have for the apartment? Only 1. But I would like to go with all type. And from here you can see, so from here you can simply hide that property. If you want to do the editing of the property, you can click here and you can do the editing of the property, and you can check all of these details you have provided. So we have the images. You can upload as many images as you want. You can give the details about the title, commercial, what type of property it is. You can select this rental. You can check the addresses, all the details about the property, whether you want to go with a fixed pricing or monthly. You can see the details we have given, the description, and you can provide all the amenities which are available. And from here you can activate an agent, which agent is going to deal with a specific property and is going to provide during the call. And from here you can active in the listing and click on the save. Once you will do that, it's going to be update and you will have all the details. So this is how you can see. From here you can simply deactivate that one. So if you want to view this single property, you can simply click on this and it will take you to this detail page. From here you can upload as many images as you want. You can see all the details which you have provided. So if I want to add more property images, I can click on this and it will take me right up here, and I can select the image and click on this upload, and it's going to upload this property instantly, and I will have right up here. So here we got it. If I want, I can simply click here and I can upload the property images. So let's click on this upload and I will select this one, or I can go with this one, select that one or this one and click on this open. And it's going to simply upload this property, and you can see all the stats, all the details which you have provided. So when you will upload this property, it will automatically going to rewrite this information. So you need to provide all these details one more time. So you can come back here, because this is the advanced layer we have added. You will find that it went empty because this is the advanced security level we have added. So the user can double check the property details. So you can come back here in the edit and you can simply provide the details. So this time, how much property fee you want to charge. So I'll go with this amount. I'll go with the fixed one. 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and whatever the square feet you have, you can select that one. I have only 3 parking. You can give the year, so I'll go with this one for 18, and you can give a website if you have, and you can provide the detailed description. I'll give the detailed description about the property. Now you can select the amenity. So whatever amenity you have, you can simply select all of that. You can provide that one, and you can also give manually. I'll say hey, and I enter, so it will be added. From here you can select the agent which you want to give the access to the property. So I'll go with this one, client, and I want to make it available, and I want to feature this property in my dashboard. So let's click on the save, and you will find that these details are saved. Now if you come back here, it's going to reflect perfectly. All of this data got updated, so you will have the full control. From here you can edit, and you can also do the delete or deactivate perfectly all the other properties we have. So if I come back here in the 4 bedroom, I can simply click on this and it will take me to the view detail page. From there I can see all the details which I have provided about the property. That's all I can manage. If I want, I can do the editing very easily and I can add more details. So that's what you will find in the listing property section. If you want to add the property, you can click on this add listing, and here you have to fill out all of these details and simply add this property, this platform to launch your website, and you can simply embed this agent so agent can start taking the call right from here. So you will find that you will have the full control over the theme, the kind of template you want to launch it. So if you want to change the color and the branding, that's all you can do. From here you can control the font which you want to pick. You can go with all of that, but I'd like this one. And from here you will find your unique URL for your website. From here you can select that what type of agent you can activate on the website. So it's going to handle the call based on the service which you're going to assign. From here you can control the branding. So if I don't like this particular one, I can simply remove that one and I can add more, or I can go with exactly the same one. I can simply save it. If I don't like the image of my, I can simply come back to the hero section. I can remove that one and I can upload my own image, like for this property. This is the property I want to sell, or I want to bring on this platform as a selling point. So I can provide about this information about the property, and I can activate the agent related to this property so it can provide more details. So once you provide all of these details about this team member, parenting, FAQ section, contact information, footer, that's all you can control. All you can control. You can also give a location, geolocation about the property. So that's all you can manage. Once you update all of that, you can click on the save and it would be saved. And this is a subscription model. So if you really want to use this website builder, you have to take the monthly subscription, which is $29, but you can control the subscription price. I have already taken the subscription, so I can have a preview, I can do the editing, or I can also have a live preview. So I can click on this and it will take me right up here on a different browser. And this is my unique website, which I have launched. I can easily able to customize every single thing. This is the image we have uploaded, and you will find that this is the agent I have activated just now. Residential specialist. I can have a live call with this agent and it's going to give me all the details about this property because that's what we have activated. If I want to book manually, I can come back here, I can fill out this form and I can simply book an appointment. I can book it for consultation, I can book it for viewing property. I can select that one, click on this next, I can come back here, I can select this two, go back to next, and I will find the available slots. So these are the slots are available. So I want to select this 10:30. Click on this, and here you have to fill out all these details to book your appointment. So let me do that quickly. I can select the fund and I can simply give a small note and now click on this view booking, and it's going to confirm your booking, and you will get, as a real estate agent, will get an email in your email ID, and the client will also receive an email confirmation. So you will find I just now got the email. So we got a new appointment. So this email